Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Trezor hardware wallet. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, download and install the official Trezor Suite application from the Trezor website onto your desktop. Once installed, launch the application and follow the clear, step-by-step on-screen instructions to initialize your new device. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital assets. After initialization, you'll either create a new wallet or recover an existing one using your recovery seed. If creating new, the device will display your unique recovery seed phrase. It is absolutely vital to write down this sequence of 12 or 24 words precisely. Store this physical copy in a highly secure, private location, away from your computer and the device itself. Never digitize or share it. To receive cryptocurrency, navigate to the Receive tab within Trezor Suite to generate your unique receiving address. You can then share this address with anyone who wishes to send you funds. When sending, go to the Send tab, enter the recipient's address, the amount, and confirm the transaction details directly on your Trezor device. Always double-check all information before confirming. For an extra layer of security, consider enabling a passphrase. This adds a 25th word to your recovery seed, creating a hidden wallet. Regularly update your Trezor's firmware through the official Trezor Suite to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. Most importantly, always verify all transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount, directly on your Trezor device's screen before confirming any action.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.